Hi guys, it's me. That is a car that you're seeing right there, okay? It is, and that's my truck. Look at how deep that snow is. It goes all the way up, covers the license plate, everything. There's my pine trees. But there's only one problem. We burn wood. See my wood pile? Way back there by the shed. Oh, there's no way I am getting to the wood for the wood stove. Yeah. It's crazy. Crazy. I'm going to go stand by it so you can get a comparison rate, okay? This is the snow. Here, I don't want to show my face. This is my porch, okay? This is how many stairs we have. I'm not kidding, okay? I mean, this is sickening. We haven't gotten snow like this. I'll walk up close so you can see the height. But it is all the way up to the hood of the car. All the way back. I ain't getting my garbage in there anytime soon either. I'm supposed to come out at some point today and clean that truck off. But I have my grandbaby today. Her mom's got to work. So I have her today and tomorrow. So I'm not MIA. I'm just doing myself right now, trying to take care of my grandbaby. Alright, I am going to sign off. I got to go watch her. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.